Hi friends, I am so excited to teach you today about this box is called the Infinity box, and you use cardstock to do this. So at first you need 4 sheets of 12 by 12 inch of square, and then one is for the lid, two is for 9 by 12 inches, and then one for 12 by 12. Together you add two 9 by 12 plus 12 by 12 together for 28 by 12 inches in one long piece, because you need 3 pieces to connect into a long piece by 28 by 12 inches. Later on I will show you just use one piece instead of 3 pieces with brown paper bag that I just did, and it was successful. And I tried out yesterday, this first one that I tried out, and it was successful. So I'm gonna teach you today what I have learned today. And at first it took me a while to figure it out. It takes 30 minutes or so, but once I get it, it goes like 15 minutes or so to make this. It's not that long to make this box. The things about it take time about this box is a decoration inside of it. So that's finished. So I'm gonna leave this here for you. You can always pause to see this direction that I have, and I just put it here so you can read it. So at first you need this square 12 by 12 and fold it 3 times. Then you go this way, you go this way 3 times. And then you draw 2 lines here. And then you cut 2 more pieces, 9 by 12. And you measure 1 inches here and 4 inches here. I mean 2 inches, 4 inches of each. Then you fold in sideways 3 times. This one you fold 1 inches, and then you fold 4. So this is the flap. You're gonna glue it in here. So you do the same as the second page, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to put it together. Put in the middle like this, okay? Now I use glue. Okay, I'm just glue, and make sure that I glue it very good. Make sure you use a cardstock paper. Okay. And then you glue this one. You can watch 2 or 3 other people doing it, so you get an idea. When you learn a tutorial, make sure you learn more than just one person. I watch at least 2 or 3 people doing it, and I learn from them what their technique, and then I add my own technique that what it works for me. So each person do a little bit different. Whatever, it's easy. Okay, now I'm sorry, I'm covered the direction. Now I'm gonna just cut all this line that I have drawn. So it had about 35 square of this. So now I'm gonna cut. Make sure I cut really well, precise. Otherwise later on I will have problems. Okay, I'm gonna turn this size and cut this size. After you cut it, you're done. And then you just can do the lid. Actually, this is easier than the explosion box. Yeah. The explosion box, you have to cut at least 3 to 5 layers. But once you get a hang of it, you can make a bunch of them with different theme. You can write a story in here. You can keep your journaling. Okay, this is done. Look how it works. Make sure you crease them well. So I'm done, and all I do is just make sure I crease them. After finish this, I crease them like this. But I prefer this size now because this side is prettier. This side is prettier than the other side. So I want this to be the inside because you can decorate anything pretty inside. Okay. Make sure to crease it well. Now I can fold it into a box. Make sure that you draw the line straight and everything straight so it turns out really perfect box. Look how perfect this box is. I think this box is my perfect box. Now I'm teaching you how to do the lid. This box is it's not that big. It's only size 4 by 4 cube, 4 inches cube. Now I'm teaching you how to do the lid, and the lid you cut 6 3/4 square, so it's a triangle, and then you measure down here 1 1/4 of an inch, 4 of them, and then you cut the corner so you can glue them. I already did this part because I want to make it fast for the video. Make sure you glue it outside instead of inside. Outside. Okay. Make sure you glue, and make sure the lid paper, you pick a pretty paper because that will help. Pick the pretty paper for the lid. The inside of the paper doesn't matter much because you're gonna have decorate your box inside with your collage or junk journals or your food picture. So the outside lid is very important. Make sure that it looks beautiful. So I pick a pretty paper for the lid. See, beautiful. It's a marble. I think it's a marble design. See, okay. See, I think it fits now. Somehow this glue doesn't cooperate with this one. See how beautiful this lid is? This paper make the lid. If the lid are not really straight, you just take a scissor and cut it. Okay. And that's done. And all I need to do now is just cut 4 more pieces. 5 more pieces actually. 5 more pieces and for around the box, 3 3/4 inch. And that's finished. Yeah, I'm gonna glue all of this around it. Okay, my videos start to getting long, so that's how I do it. Now I show you the final piece that I done. I used a brown paper bag, and it turns out gorgeous. See, this is a brown paper bag, and I cut it. Just one piece of brown paper bag turned into this gorgeous collage that I just finished. And all of this is my gel painting paper that I just did, and I put it together, and I really enjoy how this turned out. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something today. And please subscribe to my channel.